What's this? Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we have a box here that just arrived yesterday night. But since this is from Ami Ami, I guess this is the life-size Detective Pikachu that we pre-ordered last July 2019. I'm so excited, so let's unbox this! So yeah, I think I saw this. I think this is the one. Oh my gosh! We saw this. We saw this in London, in one of the toy store in London, and they have the display about. Oh my god! Ah! Okay. Come on, Pikachu! Oh my god! He's so cute! He's so cute! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, you're so cute! Oh my gosh! It's posable. Hi! Yeah, look at the fur. Oh my gosh. I'm so speechless. It's so cute. Cuteness overload. Guys, this Pikachu design is based from the movie Detective Pikachu. If you haven't watched it, you should. Because it's super cute. I'm not really that 100% fan of Pokemon, but when it comes to this cuteness of Pikachu, I cannot help it. He's really cute. So this is the size. As you can see, it's not that big, but it's enough. The size of this Pikachu is from feet to head is 40 centimeter. So this was made by the Japanese toy maker, which is the Mega House. They released the pre-order for this life-size Detective Pikachu last May 2019 up to I think around August, but we ordered last July 2019. This doll is exclusively sold in 3 shops in Japan, which is the Bandai, Megatree shop, and Ami Ami. So why we choose Ami Ami? Because Ami Ami has an English website, but the other two, we couldn't find an English website. So even though we tried to translate, it's different and not all of the website content can be translated. Good thing Ami Ami has an English version. The design of this Pikachu has the exact same details from the movie. The fluffy fur of this Pikachu is so realistic like in the movie. The cute big eyes that he has is same in the movie. His arms, ears, and tails are all adjustable. See? So you can make variety of poses from the movie. So exciting! Even the details and the materials of the hat are exactly the same. So cute! Alright guys, that's it. We will play with Pikachu first. That's so cute! He's so cute! He's also huggable! One thing is missing, his magnifying glass, his coffee, and Ryan Reynolds' voice. So yeah, that's it guys. I will list down all the information about this life-size Detective Pikachu doll in the description box below so that you can have a look. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you get notification whenever I post a new video like this. Bye bye! I'll see you in the next one!